Hello, students. Your Gaurav sir is again with you with your chapter number 2, The Tsunami Part 2. I hope all of you have listened or read that chapter carefully, the first part of that chapter. Today, I am again with you, the second part of that chapter, Tsunami. So, students, before reading this chapter, I would like to tell you all that all of you must read any chapter of any subject carefully, which can help you in your future. When your teacher teaches you, whether in the class, whether by the online classes, you must listen that chapter carefully, the what information they wanted to give you. Students, why I told you this? Because this unit means the second part of this chapter belongs to that all information which I have given to you, that you must read this chapter, because in this unit we'll come to know about a brave girl who saved the life of not only her and her parents with more than 200 people in Thailand. How it happened and why it happened? Because of only that she was carefully listening and understanding the chapter of her geography in the classroom when her teacher was teaching to her. She remembered everything. That's why it happened. Okay, so be with me and listen the chapter carefully. So students, Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decisions? So students, this question is for you. You will have to think that why her parents didn't allow her to be a famous girl. After a long time, she had some interviews and she came on television. Now, here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southern East England was celebrating Christmas at a beach restaurant in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year school girl. Her sister was 7-year-old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So, students, her age was 10-year-old and her sister was 7. And her parents were there. Her mother name is Penny and father name is Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. The deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. Means something wrong was happening. Swelling here, the writer used word, it's not for pain. It is swelling means the giant size waves were coming and the beach was becoming shorter and shorter. Her mother could not understand that what is going on, but who understand? Let's read, be with me, then why she understood that what wrong with the sea. So students, Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to geography lesson she had been taken in England just 2 weeks before. She flew out to Thailand with her family. So flew out means they came out to celebrate that festival. So students, as I told you before the beginning of this chapter, that be serious and listen carefully the chapter. It was that point that Tilly Smith remembered her geographic lesson which had been taken in England just 2 weeks before. She was little bit serious and sincere when her teacher was teaching in her classroom. That's why she understood, she came to know that what's wrong was going on at the beach. Tilly saw the sea slowly rising and start to form, bubbled from whirlpools. Means Tilly saw that bubbles are there and form is there. Means with the sea waves the form is coming and bubbled. She remembered that she had seen this in a video of tsunami that had hit Hawaii Island in 1946. Means she remembered her classroom's video which her teacher had shown her in the classroom. So students, we should listen carefully in the classroom and understand the chapters. So what happened now? Her geographic teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquake, volcanoes and landslides. So students, her teacher taught her that the tsunami can be caused by earthquake, volcanoes and landslides. So she remembered everything by seeing that sea at the beach. Okay students, Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical and said, her mother, Penny, I did not know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. So Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out from them. I was screaming and run. So students, her mother is telling that story, that what happened after watching her daughter doing something different. She thought that we must go to the hotel which was too much near to the beach, and they went into to the hotel and enjoyed at the swimming pool, and with them some of the tourists also came, and all of a sudden a entire sea was coming out. Means it was looking like that all sea will come out with a giant size of waves. Means the all water of sea will come out. She shouted loudly that run away, and they ran away from there. The family took refuge in third floor of hotel. The building withstood the shrug of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire family. Thanks to Tilly and her geographic lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tales. Means here in this paragraph 2-3 words are there which stood mean nothing was getting wrong with this building. It was strong and they were on third floor. The second one is forewarned, means they have already known about something is getting wrong. That's why they say they could save their life. And terrifying means that what a brave work which she has done at the beach in Christmas. So students, I hope all of you have understood the chapter, how Tilly Smith came to know about this disaster before happening, only because of her geographic teacher and her habit of listening and being careful the teaching time. So I hope all of you students will also read that chapter sincerely, carefully. So stay healthy, stay at home, and keep reading. Bye bye.